Hello students, myself Sangesh Karkigatti, lecturer in physics. In the last class we discussed about a kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. Okay. In today's class we discussed about free fall body and relative velocity. Let us discuss one by one. First one is free fall. What do you mean by free fall? Free fall is nothing but motion of the body where gravity is the only force acting upon it. Means if I consider one body, it will drop from upward to downward direction. In this body having only gravitational force, there is no another forces. For example, frictional force is not there and other forces are not there. It having only gravitational forces. Such a body is nothing but what? Free fall body. And example for the free fall body is a stone dropped down or a chop is dropped down. That is the example for free fall body. And acceleration due to gravity for the free fall body is plus 9.8 meter per second square. If I consider a body through vertical direction, means body moving in the vertical direction, that having the acceleration due to gravity is minus 9.8 meter per second square. And this is the concept about a free fall body. And now come with the relative velocity. What is the relative velocity? Relative is nothing but what? Comparison between two bodies. Therefore, relative velocity is nothing but velocity of a one object with respect to another object. Means comparison between the two velocity of the bodies. Okay. If I consider two trains, train A and train B, both are moving in the same direction and same speed. A person sitting in a train, he feels that another train does not appears to be moving. Means ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್. Nothing but relative velocity. And two objects are moving in the same direction. See, in this case, two objects are moving in the same direction. The formula for relative velocity is equal to velocity of the object A minus velocity of the object B. If I consider opposite direction, the relative velocity become velocity of the body A plus velocity of the body B. So this is the formula for relative velocity of a different directions. And this is the concept about relative velocity. Okay, thank you.